Hello, in today's video we will be looking at how to solve the percentages question type in the 11 plus. Let's look at our first question. This question is asking us to calculate 40% of 425. The easiest way to calculate 40% is to first find 10% and then multiply this by 4. So if we do the first step and calculate 10%, we need to divide 425 by 10, which is equal to 42.5. Next, we need to multiply 42.5 by 4. The easiest way to do this is double it twice. So if we double it once, we get 85, and then we double it again, and we get 170. So our answer is 170. Question 2 is a word question. So, as per usual, we will need to underline the key information. A store reduces its prices by 15% on the weekends. If a TV is normally £280, how much does it cost on a Saturday? So we can see that the TV will cost less on the weekends, and Saturday is a weekend, so we have to reduce its original price of 280 by 15%. So let's calculate 15% of 280. First, we'll need to calculate 10%, then calculate the remaining 5%. So 10% is just 280 divided by 10, which is £28. And then 5% is half of 10%, so £14. Then to get 15%, we just add these together, which gives us £42. So we need to reduce 280 by £45. So let's do this. Sorry, not 45, 42. Minus 42. So we'll need to make this a 7. Put in a 1 there. 10 minus 2 gives us 8. 7 minus 4 gives us 3. And 2 minus nothing gives us 2. So the final price is £238. Question 3. This is another word question, so we'll need to underline the information. A school has 240 pupils. One day, 80% are present. How many are absent? So if we know that 80% of the 240 are at school, we know that 20% are not at school. So all we need to do is calculate 20% of 240, and that is our answer. So let's first calculate 10% of 240, and if we do 240 divided by 10, we get 24. And 20% is double 10%, so 20% would be 48. That means 48 of the pupils are absent on that day. Now we have question 4. This question asks us to find which is greater, 60% of 90 or 80% of 70. So let's split the page into 2 and work out 60% of 90 on this side and 80% of 70 on this side. First, let's calculate 10% of 90. This is equal to 9. Next, as there's 60% that we need to calculate, we need to do 9 times 6, which gives us 54. So 54 is our answer for 60% of 90. Next, we have 80% of 70. First, we need to calculate 10% of 70, which is 7. Then we need to multiply 7 by 8, as it's 80%, and this gives us 56. So we can say that 80% of 70 is greater than 60% of 90. Now question 5. A tub of butter says it has 30% extra free. If it now weighs 260, how much was it originally? So we know that including the extra 30%, we have 260 grams. And we've been asked to find out how much it was originally. 30% extra is like saying 130% of what it was originally is equal to 260 grams. So if we want to find out 10% or 100% of what it was originally, we'll need to first divide both sides of this by 13 to give up, by 13 to give us 10 is equal to 20. 10% is equal to 20 grams. Therefore, 100%, which is 10% times 2 times 10, is equal to 200 grams. So it originally weighed 200 grams. Here's a little challenge for you to try yourself at home. Use all the skills you have learned so far in this video to attempt this question, and leave what you think is the answer down below in the comments, and I'll tell you if you're right. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.